Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to create a cartoon from a photo. So for example, I just chose this photo as an example and I want to make it into a cartoon. So Canva has this option, and when you click on apps right there and you search for cartoon, for example, or we can also do a anime. So for this video I'm just going to choose this one, and now you can describe what you want, and it will generate your image. But for if you want to turn a photo into cartoon, you will need this application because Cartoonify doesn't work anymore. So just click on this one, click open. I just clicked use selected image. Now you want to choose, for example, cartoon for the sake of this video. Use selected image, cartoon, and generate. And that's the result we got. It doesn't look really great, but it's a cartoon, so I think it's quite nice. You can also try and find anime or animations. So for example, let's choose this one. Animify your image. And that's what we get.